It is a tragic story behind the name Tipayo given to this cheetah. Today morning, we saw this particular cheetah making a hunt in front of us, and the name of that cheetah is Tipayo. It is a male young cheetah who is a boy, a baby of Nashipae. We were lucky to shoot this particular little Tipayo when he was around 4 or 5 months of age in November 2023 safari. What happened that during one hunt, Nashipae, the mother of Tipayo, who had 4 siblings that time, 3 girls and 1 male child, that is Tipayo. This Nashipae, she became injured. She could not hunt. These 4 babies, 3 girls and this Tipayo, they took over. They hunted some small rabbits, small animals, and anyhow fed the mother. Even the conservation department, Kenya Wildlife Trust, took care of Nashipae and her babies. 24/7 protection was given to Nashipae and the babies, and the head ranger known as Tipayo was given the charge of it. Now for 2 to 3 months, they not only safeguarded Nashipae and her babies, but also saw that she recovered well. All the medical assistance, everything was provided to her. Due to this constant stress and due to that dedicated work by the team, this head ranger called Tipayo succumbed to a massive heart attack on field. So that was a very sad end to the story. But he ensured that Nashipae and babies are healthy and they are safe. So as a mark of respect to this ranger Tipayo, the name of this male child was kept Tipayo. I hope this story inspires you. Asante.